message of hope and strength. When the storm is raging, then the night is long. When the road is weary and you don't feel strong, know that you're not alone. You're never forsaken. For in your heart, His love is unshaken. Blessed are the persecuted, for they will find their strength in the shadow of His mercy. They will rise again. Hold on through the fire. Your faith will take you higher. Blessed are the brokenhearted, for in Him you will be restored. Blessed are the persecuted, they are the ones He adores. When the world turns against you and they don't understand, when you stand for truth and they take a stand, lift your eyes to the heavens where the light will shine. For His grace is enough, His peace divine. Blessed are the persecuted, for they will find their strength in the shadow of His mercy. They will rise again. Hold on through the fire. Your faith will take you higher. Blessed are the brokenhearted, for in Him you will be restored. Blessed are the persecuted, they are the ones He adores. In every trial, in every tear, He's with you now, He's always near. Though the battle may be fierce and long, He's your refuge, He's your song. Oh, hold on. Through the fire, your faith will take you high. Blessed are the brokenhearted, for in Him you will be restored. Blessed are the persecuted, they are the ones He adores. Blessed are the persecuted, in His arms you'll find your way. Hold on through the pain